Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Figma step by step in 2026. First, open Figma and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the Figma homepage, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to open your account settings. In the Settings window, stay on the Account tab and scroll down until you find the Theme section. Click on Theme to open the available options. Here you'll see different theme choices, including light, dark, and sometimes system. To enable dark mode, simply select dark. As soon as you click it, Figma will instantly switch to the dark theme without requiring a restart. If you want Figma to automatically match your computer's appearance, you can select the system option instead. This will make Figma switch between light and dark mode based on your operating system settings. After selecting your preferred theme, close the settings window and continue using Figma. You'll now see the entire interface in dark mode, making it more comfortable to use, especially during long design sessions or at night. And that's all. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Figma. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.